up, everybody? This is Mr. Couponer. I am here unboxing with an unboxing video of my air fryer that I got on clearance. The original price was $78 or $79, and I got it for $24.99 from Best Buy. Somebody had posted a deal on Instagram the other day, and I reposted it. So I don't know if any of y'all went ahead and got that, but this is the unboxing of the clearance item. I did in-store pickup. It's the Insignia 3.2 liter air fryer. I do not have an air fryer, so I know they've been out a good while, so I'm interested in seeing what it's all about. All right, so it's the Insignia 3.2 liter air fryer. Cooks food with little to no oil. Fry, roast, bake your favorite foods. Holds 1 or 2 servings. This is not the digital one. This is the mechanical one. I mean, why pay extra for a digital just to have numbers on the front? I mean, both do the same thing. So I'm not gonna pay extra for just to see some numbers on the top. That's what couponing is all about, right? So it's the mechanical controls, 3.2 liter capacity, 1 or 2 servings. This is the diagram. Has the knob, temperature control knob, non-stick basket, basket release button. So let me see. Has a little diagram up there to what the guide is. It has 400 9 to 16 minutes for, I guess, cheese sticks, 400 6 to 10 for bacon, chicken 18 to 23 minutes, steak 8 to 12 minutes. Oh, you can make bread 20 to 25, muffins 15 to 18. Some of the features are basically, air fryer circulates hot air to cook with little to no oil. Temperature range of 180 to 400 to fry, roast, or bake your favorite foods. Again, it's 3.2 liter basket. Holds 1 or 2 servings of food. Has a timer with auto shut off. Lets you cook the food from 0 to 60 minutes. Dishwasher safe basket and pan, makes cleanup easy. What's included is the non-stick basket and a user guide. The weight is 20 pounds, which is, I think that's a good weight for an air fryer. What else? So I say you can roast, you can bake, and you can fry. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. Just give me 1 second, because I'm the only one that's filming, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is how it comes packaged, with the styrofoam up top and the little protective shield on top. Let me take that off. Give me 1 second. All right, so it's packaged like this. I'll take the damn. Hold on, y'all. Doing this with one hand. Almost got it. Almost. All right. It's almost like unwrapping a damn Christmas present. All right, so this is what it looks like. The actual air fryer. It looks cool. Oh, that's the timer. Oh, So it makes a sound when the timer goes off. And then this is the temperature knob. This is the, what's this? Yeah, how you? I'm trying to figure out how to open the damn basket. I feel old. Maybe there's a safety. Hold on. Let me trying to figure out how to open. I got the basket open. So this is the basket. The basket is removable. I'll figure out how to take it out. Shit. So this is the basket. As you see, I think you could probably fit a good amount of whatever in there. Chicken wings, fries, okra, whatever, down in there. This is the inside. Heating lamp is in there. I mean, for $20, it looks like it's quality built. Let me open the user guide. See what it is. So it looks like, I've never seen an appliance like this. They got 3 different languages. Normally it's all in one. But this one, I know that's English. I don't know what the hell this is, what language this is. Oh, French. It's on the bottom. Okay, English. It's on the back. That's English. Spanish. That's Spanish. So, got the instructions. Let's see what kind of recipes. Got the instructions on operating it. Then it has instructions on different foods. Potatoes and fries, meat and poultry. Drumsticks, 360, 18 to 22 minutes. Amount. Got snacks, chicken nuggets and bacon. The fryer will not beep at the halfway point. What the hell? Okay. Making homemade fries. Got a few recipes in here. Making homemade fries. Removing the basket. Pull the air fryer handle out to slide the pan out. Set the pan on top of the countertop. Blah, blah, blah. Instructions on keep cleaning it. Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting and specifications. So I'm gonna do a follow-up review. I'm gonna actually cook something in it tonight. I'm gonna try some chicken wings, baked chicken wings, and see how they come out. I'm actually gonna film that process. So this is the beginning process. Part 2 will be coming up. All right, y'all. So I'm actually preparing the air fryer with chicken wings. So we're gonna lay the wings in here. test this out. Let me wash my hands. I'm gonna wash them thoroughly. I just want it to. Alright, we're gonna slide this in. Okay, it's in. And it turned on. So this is the power button. Just letting you know it's getting hot. So for chicken, it's a 360, 18 to 22. I put it on 25 to give it time to heat up, and we're gonna see what it look like. All right, y'all. So the timer went off. Let's see. They're golden brown. I had to adjust the temperature and the time. I think it was 10 minutes left, and I ended up pushing the temperature while I put them sideways, because at first I had them stacked on top. So I found putting them sideways against the side of the basket to allow the air to circulate and turn the temperature up helped them cook a little bit faster. So I think overall probably for the chicken would be maybe 35-40 minutes. But as you see, they're golden brown. They are golden brown. Crispy. So I think overall, first time, I would give it an 8. I'm gonna try some other items in there and see. But there it is. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, follow me on Instagram. Bye.